Happy si Nene. Wala pa yung order ko. Siya, oh. Ang dami niyang kakainin order, oh. Order ni Ella. Ito pa lang dumating sa order ko. Eh, Martina.
Ella, eat na.
Yung bread. Ito daw, babalutin, Sharon. Peanuts. Nene, oh.
Sarap.
Oh, sarap. Give me that broccoli. Give me the broccoli.
You do like this. Oops. Then you do it. Spread it on the shirt.
Ang tagal na rin pie ko.
Uy, since when did they get this?
They're the space. Ay, one, yan. Daming order.
Mama.
I told you, masarap this one. Peace, y'all. Tagal ang order ko, ah. Niluto pa kasi, well done eh. Nakikibura muna ako rito sa anak ko.
Ang lasa. Yummy.
I told you, it's yummy. Even the rice is yummy.
Tastes like Carlos shrimp.
Tagal ang order ko. Oh.
So everything is fine?
My order, rib eye.
Only one.
Only one order. I don't.
Okay, you want that, sir? One ribeye steak? No, I like it.
No.
I get the steak.
How many minutes?
Maybe 3 to 4 minutes, sir.
Okay, just do it.
One Canon ribeye steak and the side, sir.
Ayun pa na lang yun. Sa'yo na to.
Are you going to finish this?
Oo, kasi ang dami nyo ng pagkain.
No, just give me side steak, also broccoli.
One broccoli.
Yeah.
One more side, please.
Rice.
This one, huh?
Rice.
How did this one?
Same.
No, rib eye.
Same, this is the ribeye steak.
No, the other one.
Another one more ribeye steak with broccoli and rice.
Just hold on, let me check.